Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this channel, YouTube channel for Precisetrader live signals. And today we are doing this live signals on Europe session. And later on, we would be also coming into US session as well. So we have taken a couple of trades, which right now trade is on board and still is working because of the Swiss interest rate announcement. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. And of course, the content in this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade before you put in your trade. And also do take note that we have been trying to improve on the services which we provide, and from 1st October, in fact next week onwards, we would be coming in strong and we'll be coming in aggressive. And for those of you who wish to get a daily market insight twice a day, this is while WhatsApp and Telegram, uh, please send us your name and number to this number at +65 9 444 2 And we will be also doing a weekly market outlook every Monday. This is 15 hours Singapore time. And we are already started the service of live signals providing, which is 16 hours and 21 hours daily. But sometimes the night time will depend on the market data, because sometimes we would be getting some US data. So chances are, if there is a data, then we may be changing the time earlier. Then we also provide news trading, okay, which is weekly twice. In fact, should be more than twice, because the reason being is, if there is a data, then we will be going on with it. Okay, and we are also providing once a month learning the system, and this will be the last Friday of the month. And most likely, I don't think it will be tomorrow, but we were planning to do it from next month onwards. And we are also doing workshop, which is going to be a precise trader method. And this is also once a month, and this is first Saturday of the month at 20 hours. Okay, and this is worth considering, because this cost fees for the first time we are giving it out for free. But later on charging, for a price, so which is definitely worth considering for you to uh, go move forward. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, in fact, today the data out, there was a Swiss SNB rate announcement, and the bank did cut as forecast by quarter%. And we followed by, I think, SNB press conference, which should be uh, due shortly. And also we would be doing again. Okay, tonight we'll be coming back again at 1945, and we will be trading during this GDP, final GDP and unemployment claims, plus core durable goods orders. This is all from US. So, and also I think we also have a Fed chairman who is going to give a talk. This is about 20 hours. And we also have a 15 hours Treasury Secretary Yellen speaks. So all these are key important data that we are going to see tonight. Okay, the trades which we have already entered. Okay, because I think we have already entered on this trade. Right now we have shorted New Zealand dollars uh, at 62.85, and Aussie dollars at 68.65. Pound Swiss day trading, we are bought at 113 right now, is making about 30 pips. And Euro Swiss, we are long at 94.45 on the day, and right now is making about 10 pips. And dollar Swiss, we are long at 84.65, and this is about 30 pips. Okay, and news trading, we are long on Euro Swiss. Okay, this is making about 6 pips. Pound Swiss about 10 pips. CAD Swiss is about 12 pips, and Swiss is making about 14 pips. Okay, and also I want to share with you what was the trade that happened yesterday. Okay, yesterday I think we took a couple of trades which I will also want to share. Yesterday's trade is all here. Okay, this is all scalping trade. Yesterday was 25. Huh? So 25 we have taken scalping. We have taken two. Uh, in fact, euro dollar was a loss 20 pips. Gold was a loss 40 pips, and euro dollar we made back about 30 pips, and that was yesterday. I think that we were losing about 30 pips on scalping. Okay, then on the day trading, okay, yesterday was a good day. In fact, it's supposed to be more, but we closed in early. Okay, gold we made about 70 pips. In fact, we closed at 58, but I do remember this market went to our price target at 50 half. So we should have made another 70, 80 pips, but we closed early. Then pound also is similar. We closed early. We only made about 30, 37 pips, but actually our target was about 33, 30. We should have made another 40 pips, but we closed early also. Then today, yeah, we just now we took a DAX. Okay, in fact, today onwards, we are also starting on the CFDs, CFDs of futures like DAX, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P. Okay, so we have already put in orders. Later, I'll be sharing with you how is it and how we are going to go about it. So as of now, okay, since we are into live trade, okay, we are going to trade on the market and look for opportunities. Okay, right now we see dollar yen. Okay, this there is a potential of it going up right now. Okay, I'm not sure what the price is. Yeah, it's trading at 145.15. Okay, let me change the screen. Okay, then at least we can see for live trades on this. Okay, 4 o'clock. Now, whatever you see now, okay, you all you have to know is your strength or weakness that you're seeing now. This is going to last only for another 50 to 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes. Okay, now dollar yen is up. Okay, in fact, this is up for the uh, 6 hour 360 and 720 and daily. Okay, and as long as the price is above 14485, okay, strength is expected to go on the high side. Okay, so now we are going to try to trade this, since we are doing live signals and we are going to trade live. So we'll try to look into this. Then the next is um, let me see. Let me see any other opportunity now. Okay, then we have a dollar Swiss, the rate announcement. Okay, that is happening right now. So that one we will also track that, followed by excuse me, Aussie dollar, which is up, and New Zealand dollars up. So this two. So we try to concentrate on dollar yen, dollar Swiss, Aussie, and New Zealand, right? Okay, now let's take dollar yen for a start. Okay, dollar yen right now, whatever the strength which we are seeing now. Okay, this strength is going to last for another 50 minutes. Okay, and I'm not sure whether it may continue because this is above the previous day high. Okay, if this time belt is over, well, there's only two things can happen. The next time belt, either the market can be in a range or can continue in the direction of the market which is happening now. There's only two sides. So either we have to bet that this is going to be in a range or whether this is going to continue in the direction. Okay, of course we will try to find out. Okay, so dollar yen is the system is saying is bullish, and okay, we look at the PT zones. When we look into the PT zones, okay, we see the 360 is gaining strength and is flat. There is no sellers here. And in fact, there are no sellers on the 360, 720 daily and weekly, apart from monthly. Okay, monthly there is two selling forces. So and also we have, I think I'm not sure whether today is the last trading day of the month. No, I think Monday. So Monday is the last trading day of the month. So we still have to play based on the time. What is the time control, and we stick to that. Okay, now we look at dollar yen. So basically, what is telling us is there is no sellers, so we should be looking to sell. We try to sell near at daily RR2 and weekly RR5. Okay, and we also need to know what is the monthly SC1 and SR10, 10 or 12. These two levels. We need to know the levels. Then at least we know what is the target. Then we can see whether we can go in that direction. Okay. So now we look into the dashboard. So like what we have seen. Okay, this is trading above the previous week high, above the previous day high, and the previous month high is very far away, is 15090. Okay, so that we don't have to pay attention to, right? So now when we scroll in, okay, remember we want to concentrate on daily RR2, weekly RR2, monthly SC1. Okay, so I'm going to show you all these levels. So then we can come to a conclusion of the target. Okay, the target. Okay, let me highlight this. So this is what we are concentrating now. So now when we look into daily, okay, previous day RR2 is 14525. So if it breaks, then we can expect the price to see towards 14550, 60 and even 146 level. Okay, now when we look into the daily RR2, so 145.40, okay, this is the important level. If it breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 145, 75, 95, and 146.20. So these are the key levels which we need to pay attention. That means 145.40 has to break. If it breaks, then we see the price moving towards 145.70, 90, or even 146.20. So, excuse me. So this is for the daily. So weekly, remember we said this is going to be your RR2, which is 14505. So we said that RR5. So RR5 and RC5 is 145.40 and 146. So basically what the market is telling us is, I mean the system is telling us is 145.40, 50. That's going to be a strong resistance. So market may turn or may pause at that level. So these are the levels which we need to pay attention. So the next thing we need to do is, of course, we look at the monthly. So the monthly is saying is 145.65, 145.85. So now, as of now, what we can take is 145.40 has to break, If it breaks, then we may see 145, 75, 85, or even 146 or 146.20. So that will take it as a final target. So now the next thing which we need to know before a trade is taken, always we try to concentrate on the target, then stop loss, then entry, then of course some benchmark levels. Benchmark levels are the levels which we need to pay attention to as well. So now target, okay, we have already taken that 145.40 breaks, then we see the price moving higher. Okay, as of now, we'll take it as 145.40 as the maybe a short-term target, for the next maybe next 45 minutes or so, right? So now stop loss. Your stop loss, you look into this, your 360 low is 44.60. So 44.60, that means I want to put my stop loss at 144.55. Okay, that should be an idle. But on when we look at your 360, 144.80. Okay, that means there is a near-term support which is 144.80. So that means we'll try to put our stop loss at 144. 75 or 55. Okay, that again we look into the chart, then we decide. Okay, as of now we feel that there is a strong resistance at 145.40. So the market may pause, or we may get a minor pullback from that level. Then after that it may eventually continue towards the final destination, or even higher. Okay, so now let's go and look into the chart. Then we conclude and we put the trade setup. Okay, so now if you look at into the chart, okay, see, always remember the final call, of course, the system can help you to do all your work, but if you are really good in charting, if you are good in chart, then that would give you additional confidence and additional uh, 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 assurance, right? So now if you look into this thing, market is struggling its way out, and we see a divergence on this RSI. So looking at the chart, okay, I'm convinced that 145.40 might hold, okay, might hold, and I don't see the price going above this hour. We should get a minor pullback, okay, pullback. And if you see 45.40, 45.75, so these are the two levels uh, of resistance. Okay, then of course this is way too far. So let's see. So the next level of resistance I can take, most likely, wait now. Yeah, 46.20 as my final destination. Okay, so now more or less I am looking at the chart and the system. I'm convinced that okay, this is going to be a turn down, and we may get a strong pullback. Okay, the pullback can be towards 144.50. Okay, 144.50, and this is a 3 drive to the top. So most likely, what should be doing this is we should be looking to sell at 40 if we get it, and I'm not sure whether this market has got strength to push towards that. Okay, anyway, we already got an answer. So we'll try to sell at 145.40 and stop at 145.60 or 70, and the TP would be 144.80. So that is about 60 pips available in the market for us to take take okay. So now it's going to be uh, okay. Let me see one more thing before. Let me see the dollar Swiss whether should be close. Okay, I think the dollar Swiss also in a similar situation, you know. So what I want to do is, okay, before I go into this, I want to lock in my profits on dollar Swiss. Okay, even though they cut rate, looks like the market has got no strength, and I think we have to better close the trade. So now let me clear this trade first. Okay, then looking into this dollar Swiss. Okay, whatever the price we I think we want to lock uh, profit. Okay, we concentrate on dollar yen. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, this one we made about 24 pips. Okay, this one also we just go on market. Okay, whatever the price because we feel that the market has made. Okay, let me see one last time on the Euro Swiss. Yeah. Okay, I think we better don't take risk on this. We decide to lock in all the profits. What we have done. There's no point because this market has got no strength. Then there's no point holding that trade. Okay. Then let me clear this news trading as well. Okay, because it failed. Okay. So we close all at market, all at market, and we just lock in the profit. So we don't need to fight for the thing. Of course, early on was making good money, you know, it was making good money, but we should have done this first. Okay, actually, we supposed I think more than 100 over pips. It became, I think, in fact, I think we should have done this first. But anyway, this is all part of the game, and we got to get ourselves moving forward because we can't afford to take emotional control, you know, especially when we are wrong, you know, we have to quickly decide and we have to take action. Okay, so let me one last time, let me check. So it's all close. Okay, so now coming back to dollar yen. Okay, now what we feel is, okay, we want to uh, sell at 145.40 because we feel the market has got no strength, and I'm not sure whether we'll get filled, but let's try. Okay, so and we have a buy order at 44.50. I think this one has to be cancelled. So now we go for a sell. Okay, we sell at 145. 40, 70, and 144. Uh, just now was 80, right? 80 and 60. Okay, let me double check the levels. Yeah, I think we can because the day low was 45, so we try to take in as 50, 60. So now this trade we try to put in until tonight because the thing is tonight got data, right? So maybe let's put in before the data announcement because I don't want to take a risk on this. Then your buying order at 144.50 has to be changed. Okay, this is only until 6:30. Okay, 6:30. So I think we may get a deeper correction, if the market, because the market has got no strength to go up. So we may get the price moving lower. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I want to put in another trade as well. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. See, hold on, because I'm trying to. Okay, I think I've got it wrong. Okay, so now we try to. Uh, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so here we try to sell this. Okay, now what we can also do is we feel the chances are that 45.20 might be the high. So if on that note, I don't want to miss this trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to sell at 45.10, okay, below the current day low. And this is just because since we know that the market is going to turn at 45.40, so maybe we'll put a stop at 45, 45. So we'll try to do a momentum trade. We'll try to do a momentum trade, and this trade we'll try to sell at 45.10. The reason being is the stop loss is 45 and the TP is 44.60, and this is until 6:30. That means we are giving this trade. So let this trade work, then we see how it comes. So in the event, if let's say this trade gets stopped out, okay, then our day trading will come into play, and remember that the highest we can expect was 46.20. Okay, let me see whether, yeah, 46.20 is a good level. We will be putting another trade at 146.20, and this would be expiry until this Friday. Okay, and the TP we will later we will adjust, but we will just try to put at 140. Happen is, okay, we have uh, three trades, to try to sell. Okay, that means if let's say that 45, the market has already made a high, then this 45.10 should work in place. But let's assume that the market doesn't turn at there, then goes higher than 45.40, That would be the next level for us to stay focused. Then on the other hand, if we see that the day trading buying level, the one has to go down because what we feel is that might be we can get it cheaper, 44.20. Okay, that would be, let me bring down that level. 43, let me see where is it. Okay, 43.30. What I can do is, so I'm going to change my level to one. Uh, okay, so this it to 43.3. That means bring it down lower, and the TP is 43.30. Should be 44.20 or 43. Let's put this, and this one we'll try to put. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, very soft, is that? Okay, okay. Just give me a minute. I think let me change my. Just give me 1 minute. Change my headphone because I think it's not loud enough. Okay, let me change. Just give me 1 minute, please.